In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add a Google account on an iPhone. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But when you do add your Google account, you'll then be able to access Gmail, Google Contacts, and other Google services right inside the iPhone Mail app. So let's go ahead and get started. First things first, go ahead and open up that settings app on your device. And what you're going to want to do is just hit this little search bar down at the very bottom and simply go ahead and type in mail and hit search. And what you're going to want to choose is this mail option up at the very top. Now, there's going to be a bunch of different settings within this mail option. Essentially, what you're going to want to choose is the mail accounts tab, just like so. And from here, go ahead and tap add account. From here, you just need to enter in the email address for the Google account that you want to add and then tap next up in the top right. Then select open browser and sign in with your Google password. And once you are signed in, essentially just give iOS permission to access your account. Choose whatever you want to sync, such as mail, contacts, or calendars, and then simply just go in and tap save in the top right. But that is it. Your Google account is now going to be added to your iPhone. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you did have any questions, ask them down below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.